Alright, so in this exercise what we're going to do is look at how we actually apply default bullets to our Word documents. The default bullets are usually going to be a round black dot. So what we do is we go Control-Shift-L and you can see it has applied the bullet. I put in whatever the text is that I want, so I'll just simply go text 1, hit enter, and you can now see that it will actually apply that default bullet in each of the bullet lines. Now there is an alternative way that you can actually do this. So an alternative way is to actually use the star key. So Shift 8, spacebar, and you'll see that also converts it to a default bullet. So either way will actually work. Alright, so the shortcut again, Control-Shift-L for the default bullet, or star space will also work to actually create a default bullet as well. Alright, I hope you enjoyed this video and I'll see you in the next one.